Hey guys, this is Chris Mincola with the Mincola Group, real estate professionals at West USA Realty. And today we're going to say, should we sell? Should we buy? You know what? There's a great opportunity for buyers, and I think a lot of people are missing this. And I'll tell you why. The reason why there's a great opportunity for buyers is because there's a little less competition right now. People who don't have to move are not moving. iBuyers are out of the picture, like Open Door, OfferPad, and a lot of investors because of who backs them. So there's a lot of less competition. Instead of having, maybe 4, 5, 8 offers on a property, now we're seeing no competition if we move on it quick, especially in the middle of the week, Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And we're seeing that, maybe if we are in competition, it's only one other person. Okay. So we are seeing, about 1,000 homes sell about every 3 days. The market's at about a 2.2 month supply as of Monday. Year over year, this same week, yes, we're taking less listings right now, which to be expected. But if you're not in a risk pool, get out there and buy right now because it's a great opportunity with that less competition, low interest rates, and you're still in a hot market. People list their homes, they're still selling for 98% or even a little bit higher than that of what they actually list it for. So they're not giving up that much in the sales. So that's good. That's a healthy market. Historically, that works for our market. And again, I'm talking about the Phoenix metro area market, not New York, not LA. The media and a lot of times people have a sense of, well, they heard this and that's the end of the world, Chicken Little. No. In our market, and it's totally different than New York or LA, we're fine. Last month we still had about 4.5 more home sales than we did last year. Prices are still going up steadily, not crazy like during the crash. People have a lot more equity now than they had back during the crash. I mean, right now we're equity rich. More than half of the country has about $170,000 in equity. So we're equity rich compared to back then. All the standards are totally different, highly regulated as far as who's buying homes now. There is a slight tick off, obviously, in the idea of what's been going under contract. We'll see for this month over last year, same month, we had 79.79 last year. Right now, as of Monday, we have 58.10. But we'll see how the month ends up. Totally understandable. People, with a little bit less numbers that people are, waiting to see what happens. Maybe they're in a risk pool, so they don't want to get out there, have people coming through their homes. Totally understand that. As far as sellers go, we've been telling them, we can use booties. We can get, face masks and gloves in there. Make sure you're wiping down the doors. Make sure all the doors and lights are already on so nobody has to really touch anything when they come through your home as much as possible. And make sure you step out of the home when they come to see it, which is a good idea in general anyway, so people feel free to talk and look through your home. But as far as buyers go, super great opportunity right now. Usually our hot season is March through May. We're going to see a shift, mark my words, we're going to see it from June through August, where it's going to go June through August will be our hot months as far as sales go, maybe into even September. Normally people like to move when school's out, unless they're people who are seasonal, will come in the winter and then leave. But other than that market, the normal market, we're seeing a lot of people right now are still out there that are serious buyers, less competition, great opportunity for buyers right now with low interest rates. And you watch, June through August will be like what March through May will usually be like, as people are still going to want to move that need to move or really wanted to move or buy a home this year. So look for a great third and fourth quarter in the real estate market. We're still going strong. And beyond that, I think next year is going to be huge. So let us know if you have any other questions. We just wanted to get that out there because we're getting a lot of questions. We'd love to be able to talk to you more about buying and selling a home right now or refinancing. Right now, I would recommend refinancing over forbearance. Because if you refinance today, and you close in May, let's say, then you would go ahead and, you can pull some money out even or just lower your payment. But if you close that refinance in May, you don't have a payment till July 1st. So that's better than forbearance. You've lowered your payment. You went a couple months without a payment. And you might, be able to look at pulling some money out right now, even though that may be a little bit tougher right now with some of the regulations in place. But we can talk to you about options on that. So let us know if we can talk to you. 480-788-8569. Call or text us there or email us back. Thanks.